The most important thing is to listen to what the person is saying. Most of the time, the person that's calling will be telling exactly what they think and how they feel. There'll be a lot of times as they're speaking, they'll say certain things that could be ambiguous. It could have different meanings with it. That the dispatcher uses an active listening to clarify what's going on, to ask further questions to get more information, which they do, but sometimes they will go even deeper than the question about the situation to dealing with that person with it. It's important that the dispatcher, while they're gathering this information, that they be sincere and honest the way they're speaking, because most people can tell a fake. They get on there. They know if someone cares. When the dispatcher's talking to them, they're showing the person, at least my experience I've seen in the dispatch I've dealt with, that they're sincere in what they're doing. They're not being phony. They're not being superficial. They're really concerned and trying to get it done. A person in distress, regardless of the type of distress, or a person that's emotionally disturbed or mentally ill, they can find someone that's a fake and a phony. And so the dispatcher, even if the thing seems small, they have to continue to present a sincerity in what they're doing and the way they're doing it. Now, when the person that's called, they begin to understand that that the dispatcher is being honest and truthful with them, that builds a relationship between the two. It builds like a rapport between the caller and the dispatcher. If a caller trusts a dispatcher, they will most likely trust the law enforcement officer that's sent. If they can talk to a dispatcher, they will easily talk to a law enforcement officer. However, what a lot of people don't understand is a lot of people are just rude to the dispatchers, and the dispatchers, they remain calm, confident. They maintain their personality. They don't fight back. They don't cause the problems. And then when the officer gets there, the officer has no idea what happened. But a great number of calls that I'd been on in the past had been resolved before I got there because the attitude of the dispatcher changed the attitude of the person before I got there.